Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this rock and roll automata. Turn the knob and watch it rock and roll. We're also going to learn how to make this 3D man using paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of these crafts. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using 800 ml plastic jar, 2 pieces A4 paper, some colored paper, a card paper, and a cardboard, 2 pieces of paper towels, suede cloth, you can also use felt or crepe paper, 3 pieces chopsticks, 1 small round head fastener, paint, pencil and marker pens, a ruler, adhesive tape, all-purpose glue, and a hot glue, scissors, and a plastic straw. Let's get started! First, take the plastic jar. On the lid, find the center, measure 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters, and mark it with a pen. Take off the lid, then use pointed scissors to cut along the lines. Put back the lid and close it properly. Place the jar with a vertical hole facing you. Use a ruler to find the center line till the right side of the jar. Measure 4 centimeters from the rim, mark it, and make a hole. The hole should be big enough to insert a chopstick. Insert a chopstick to test it out. Then put some paint on the edge of the chopstick to mark the jar. To make the automata parts, take a chopstick and measure 5 centimeters, and then cut another piece of 7 centimeters. Cut 2 pieces of 2 centimeters. Cut another 1.5 centimeters. So we have a total of 5 sticks for the automata, and cut 3 centimeters for the handle, which will be used later. We can now connect the sticks together using a hot glue. Make sure to glue the short stick on the longer one for a better grip. Follow the arrangement of the sticks as shown. Add more glue to the sides to strengthen the connections. Cut 2 pieces of card strips measuring half centimeters by 5 centimeters. Glue the card strips, wrapping the connecting sticks together. Let's cover the inside part as well with a card strip to make it stronger. Put it aside and let the glue harden. Then take the cardboard and cut 2 pieces of 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Then trim the corners. Let's call this the holder part. Mark the center and poke a hole in it. Take a plastic straw, measure and cut 4 centimeters. Then insert the straw into the holder. Pull the straw and leave half a centimeter outside the hole, and trim the sides of it. Add some glue, make sure that the straw is sticking to the cardboard. Add more glue to stick the 2 cardboards together. For the handle, draw 2 circles on a cardboard. This is about 4 centimeters in diameter. Stick them together to make it thicker. Then poke a hole in the center. Turn it over and make another hole on the side. Cut a strip of colored paper to cover the side of the handle. And take the chopstick that we just cut earlier and attach it to the handle. For the Automata to move easily, let's add a tiny ring. From a paper cut a small strip. Roll it using a chopstick. Make sure that the ring is not too loose or too tight, so it can move smoothly. Now, let's make a mover. Measure and cut 12 centimeters of chopstick, then cut 7 centimeters of card strip. Then place it in the middle over the ring of the Automata. Add some glue and attach the mover together. Make sure that it is not too tight and not too loose. And take an adhesive tape to wrap around it. Now let's assemble the machine parts together. Stick the holder on the marked side of the jar. Then take the Automata and insert the longer stick into the jar hole, while the short stick will be inserted in the straw. Test it out if it moves smoothly. Add glue and attach the handle to the Automata. For the machine to work smoothly, the parts should be properly connected and glued together. To make the 3D man, take an A4 paper and cut it to 4 equal parts. And take another A4 paper and cut it to half. Start folding a piece of a quarter paper horizontally. The folds can be around 1 centimeter. Add some glue to seal it. Squeeze and bend it until it becomes round, and glue both edges together. Then take the half-size paper and fold it the same way. Add glue as you fold it to keep the shape. These paper sticks will be used for the arms and legs. On a card paper, draw an oval for the head. I also added a neck at the bottom. To fill in the body, take a paper towel, crumple it, mold it into a round shape. It should be able to fit inside the frame. Take a piece of paper and cut it into 2. Then use it to wrap the crumpled paper. Add some glue to keep the shape. Take the other piece of paper and cut at least 1 centimeter strip. Take a paper stick and bend it in the middle. Add some glue to the frame and attach the paper stick. Stick the paper strip to keep the frame and the arms together. Then attach the head to the body. Take the other paper stick and bend it in the middle. This will be used as the legs. Measure and cut 4.5 centimeters on one side of the leg. Take the cut out leg and poke a hole on it. Make another hole on the connecting part of the leg. Take a paper strip and wrap around the frame and the legs. Then take the filler and stick it inside the frame. For the head, crumple another piece of paper towel, mold it into a head shape that we made earlier, and wrap it again with a piece of paper to support the shape. Flatten the sides for a neater look, then stick them together to make the head. Then stick another paper strip to connect the head to the body. Next, use the round fastener to connect the two parts of the leg together. Insert the round fastener into the overlapping holes. You may fold the metal fastener if it's too long. Make sure that the fastener is not too tight. Test it out if you can move and bend the leg. Now let's make the shoes. On a card paper, measure 4 by 5 centimeters and cut 2 pieces of it. Fold the card paper into 3 parts and trim the sides into a curved shape. Then, make a slit in the middle, just enough to fit the leg. Apply some glue and attach it to the legs. Cut small pieces of paper to cover the heels. Now let's draw and cut a paper card to make the hands. Apply some glue and attach it to the arms. Now bend the arms like holding a guitar. We can now paint the head, hair, hands, and shoes. Set it aside and let it dry. While waiting, let's paint the jar lid black. Now the paint is completely dry, measure the arm length and make a guitar. You can also download the guitar template in the description below. Then paint the guitar. Time for dress up. You can download the patterns in the description below. For the clothes, we will be using suede cloth. You can also use light materials such as felt cloth or crepe paper. Trace the pattern on the cloth and cut it. just made a jacket. For the trousers, fold the cloth on one side and trace the pattern. For the inner shirt, trace and cut 2 pieces for the front and back. It's time to put on the clothes, starting with the inner shirt at the back and then front. Take one side of the trouser, then apply some glue on the inner side of it and stick it under the shirt. Take the other side and repeat the same thing. You can now wear the jacket. Apply some glue on the inner lining of the jacket and stick the sides together. Let's add some hair using a colored paper. Let's also give him a hair trim. And now let's draw the face. For a cool look, let's give him a pair of sunglasses. And let's add a headband too. And let's add some details to the guitar. Put some glue on the hands and attach the guitar. We can now connect our man to the Automata. Close the lid and apply glue on the Automata mover. Attach the mover stick at the back of the man. And finally, apply some glue on the shoe, the one with the movable leg, and attach it to the lid. Hold the leg for a few seconds and let the glue harden. Get ready to rock and roll. And there you have it, your very own rock and roll automata. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.